Hey, third grade, here are the first four measures of oats, peas, beans. Now, first thing that we want to look at when we're taking a look at these first four measures is what are the different notes that we use in the song. So, our lowest note that we use is our G. So if you don't remember G, it's thumb on the back, 1, 2, 3. In the left hand, remember. Right hand just supports. Our next note is our A. Going one note up from that is A. So we just pull that finger off. There's our A. Our B, which is our starting note, right here. B is just the thumb and the pointer finger on the top two holes. And then our next note up is C. Now this is the high C. And so instead of low C, which is all of our fingers, high C goes one up from the B, and you swap out your pointer finger for your middle finger. So this is B, this is C. You might want to practice that a few times just because it takes a second to get into your hand because you feel like, right, it should be going up higher like this and you just take everything off, but not quite yet. For B, you gotta go back down to C, sorta. And then our top note in this song is our D. In D, you leave that middle finger on and you pull off your thumb on the back. You gotta make sure that, ooh, don't do what I did. You gotta make sure that your right hand's supporting, otherwise you can't play it, right? Because there's nothing back here. You're just balancing it on that with your mouth, and you're leaving this top middle finger on that middle note right there. So this is B, this is C. All right, now that we've got that, let's talk about what types of notes are in this song. So our time signature is 6/8 time. Remember, our top number in that 6 tells us how many notes are in each measure, and our bottom number 8 tells us what type of notes. So 6 eighth notes because of the 8. We're thinking of it like a fraction, right? That's the denominator, and that tells us that it's an eighth note instead of like a quarter note, which would be 4 or something. So the 3 types of notes that we have in this song are our eighth notes, which is our beat, and there are supposed to be 6 of those in every measure, remember. Our quarter notes, which are worth 2 beats, because there are 2 eighth notes in every quarter, and our dotted quarter notes, which are worth 3 beats, because you take a quarter and then add that half back to itself to get 3. So our first 2 measures are like this. We have B on a quarter, and then it's an eighth on the B, another B on a quarter, and then the A on the eighth. And then we end on our G. So listen to it once, listen to the rhythm, and then we're gonna sing the names of the notes together and then play it together. So here are the first 2 measures. B, 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 A, G, G, G. Try that with me. So we're gonna sing the names of the notes while doing it with our hands. So we're on B, and B, 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 A, G, G, G. Let's try playing it together. Here we go. Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, here we go. All right, next 2 measures, we go up to our C, and it's the same pattern. We have a quarter, eighth quarter, eighth quarter, eighth dotted quarter. That's the pattern for the last, for that next 2 measures. So let's try singing the names of the notes in rhythm while doing it with our hands. So we're starting up on the C and then going back down to our B. So here we go. C, here's your starting note, and C, 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 B, A, A, A. Try singing with me. Here we are. And C, 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 B, A, A, A. Try playing it. So make sure all the holes are covered. Here we go on the C, and all right, let's try the whole first half of the song. So we're starting on the B, going B, 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 A, G, G, G. Then we go up to the C, 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 B, A, A, A. And that's as far as we're going today. So let's try this starting on our very first note, B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done, third grade. All right, see you later.